Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to run Selenium test by tag. If you are working with large test suites, running every test each time can be slow and inefficient. That's where tags become incredibly useful. By organizing your test cases with tags, you can quickly execute only the tests you need to execute, whether they are smoke test, regression test, and sanity test. This helps save time, improves productivity, and make your automation framework easier to manage. In this video, I will explain what test tags are, why they are important, and then I will show you a step-by-step demonstration of how to run Selenium test using tags. By the end of this video, you will be able to execute specific groups of tests with confidence. So let's begin. First, add the dependency of TestNG. Open this file form.xml and add the dependency for Selenium, and then add the dependency for TestNG. If you want to add this dependency, so open Chrome browser and search Maven repository and search this TestNG in this search bar, TestNG, and then click on search for search this TestNG, and then click on TestNG, and here you can view the all the versions available. So use the stable version. In this file I use 7.11.0 and click on this one. After clicking on this version, you can add this dependency in form.xml file. Now just you need to copy this dependency and add in a dependency section. Now create a new file. First we need to create a testng.xml file. So here we will create a new file. Right click on this project root folder, new, and then click on file. Enter file name testng.xml, XML, then click on enter. We have successfully created a new file which is testng. In testng file we will define the groups and the tags name. So here we will use suit and then ending this tag by using a backslash. Inside this suit, define a test name. Test name is equal to, so here we will define suit name is equal to QA suit, and then define test name. Suppose we have two test cases, smoke and regression. Smoke and regression tests, and then use a closing bracket. So here we will use, inside this test name, define a group and then define a run tag. First define a groups, then run. Now next thing we need to do here, we need to define a tags. Include means you want to execute the test case. Include smoke backslash, and then use an other tag which is regression, and then here we will use backslash. Remove this one, regression, double commas. We have successfully defined tags here. First is smoke and the second tag is regression. Now define a classes. Inside this classes, enter this class name. Class name is Selenium. Class name is equal to, enter this folder name, which is com.qa, and then enter this class name, which is Selenium, and then close this tag. Save this file. As you can view here, we define include. Include means we want to execute these test cases by using a tag. Now open this selenium.java file. In previous tutorial I write the simple test case. First install the WebDriver. As you can view here, we use .setup, and then maximize the window. After maximize window, open google.com and then get the title of the page. Now define tags in our test file. @test. I will write here test groups. Group is first smoke. Save this file and reload the project. Make sure reload or Maven projects, sync all project. Now we can run the test. For running the test, you just need to right click on this TestNG XML file. Right click on testng.xml file and then click on run, and it will execute the test case. In this test file we have defined only one test case, so here it execute the test case and get the title of the page, which is Google. Let's add another test case in this test file, this one, and add another test case. Suppose this is our regression test case. Here change open Bing and then change the URL www. Here we need to write www.bing.com. Now save this file. As you can view here, in this file only two tags, smoke and regression. For now we want to execute both test cases, so here we will right click and run testng.xml file. As you can view here, now two test cases. Open Chrome browser, maximize window, and then execute the second test case. Now I will show you how you can run a test case by using a tag. So we need to make some changes here. We will use here exclude. So exclude means this test cases will not execute and which contains a regression tag. Save this file. In this scenario only smoke test case will be run. Right click here and then click on run test.xml file. Open Chrome browser and run test case which contains smoke tag. As you can view here, only this test case execute and get the title of the page. So that's how you can Selenium test by using tags. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how tags make test execution faster, more organized, and easier to manage, especially when working with large automation projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Selenium automation and QA tutorials. If you have any question or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.